everybody, welcome to Frog's Point Honey. Let's cook.
For this recipe, you're going to need mashed potatoes, flour, cheese, cheddar is great, panko, an egg or maybe two, Parmesan cheese, rub it from Frog's Point Honey, hot sauce. I used the Last Dab XXX from Heatonist. It's really good and really hot. And also some chives or green onion. Of course, exact amounts are in the video description. Dice up the green onion, add most of it, cheddar cheese, and hot sauce to your mashed potatoes, and mix them around real good. If your potatoes are really loose, at this point you can add another egg to help them hold together better. I didn't in this case, but sometimes do. Now roll out the mixture in approximately 1-inch balls. For breading, you'll need a beaten egg, some flour, and panko mixed with rub it and Parmesan cheese. One at a time, roll them in the flour, and then the egg, and then the panko. If you switch hands at the breadcrumbs, you'll stop your hands from getting too gummy. If you're going to fry them, go ahead and do that. If not, spritz them with vegetable oil on all sides. Make sure to coat them pretty evenly, so you can bake them on a pan in the oven, or even better, use the air fryer. Give them a shake and check them every 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. It'll take 10 or 12 minutes.
Let's eat.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe.